Hi, let's see how to fix the verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. If you're an Apple user, then you try to install the music or any application on the iPhone. Stopped by the following error message. Verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. The error occurs if you cannot authenticate to the Apple ID server. The leading cause is you might log out from Apple account or any other settings might block you from verifying your identity with the Apple server. If you are getting the verification error on your Mac or the iPhone devices, check out this article to fix the error. Let's see what causes the verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server error. So whenever you get an error, you will see the screen like this: verification failed. There was a problem connecting to the server. The verification failed. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server occurs because of an issues with your network connection, network settings, or Apple ID. If the error occurs, you cannot log out or the login in your iTunes store, or you keep getting the error when you try to sign in. The highly possible reasons are the poor internet connections, issue with the time setting in your device, issue with the Apple ID server itself, certificate setting, or key giant setting. Okay, so let's see how to fix verification failure. There was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. If not, fix it first by switching to the another network or resetting your router. It is the mobile data you can turn off and then turn it back on your internet connection. Reset your internet service provider by turning on and off the airplane mode on your mobile. You can access your iTunes stores without difficulties if the issue is related to your internet service provider or the internet connection. Also, restart your iPhone and check if the error is gone, because restarting the device will fix most of the issues. There are several methods or steps which you can follow one by one in order to fix this particular issue. The first method is check the Apple server status. Make sure the Apple server is up and working fine. Also check whether the users or the Google are facing the same issue. If so, don't worry, the error will be resolved automatically. Try after some time. You can also check the status by visiting the link below. And you can go to this particular website, www.apple.com. So here you can check the system status. Okay, and the second method is turn off your VPN server in your device. Usually the VPN connections must match your device actual location and the time server and the internet connection. If you use any VPN connection to access the network and turn it off, then you can try to access the iTunes stores. So I hope the verification failure is resolved by following this method. And the third method is reset your network settings. If the error persists, then try to resetting your network. Reset, remove all the previous data, and you need to configure the connections again by entering the password. It will automatically configure the internet connection if it is the mobile data. Open settings from your iPhone and then click on General. Type on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. Enter your password and tap Reset Network Settings to confirm. Click Reset and delete all your networks. Now you can sign in your networks once more using Apple ID at this point. And the fourth method is update your iOS in your device. Updating your iOS will help you to fix any bugs or the corrupted files in the device. Go to the settings from your iPhone, tap on the general from your settings screen, tap on the software update to the new updates. Okay, and the fifth method is check your time and date settings on your iPhone. Issue with your iPhone's times and location settings can occasionally create errors like Apple ID verification failed. This problem arises when your iPhone date, time, and or the location differs from the Apple server. As a result, you should ensure that the date and time on your device are appropriately configured. And to follow some of the steps below to check your device date and time settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone, select the general and then tap on date and time. If set select automatically is turned on, turn it back. It should automatically match your iPhone's time and date to Apple server. And restart your phone and check whether the issue is resolved. The sixth method is sign out from your Apple ID and then re-sign in, re-log to the Apple account ID. It will fix the communication glitches between the account and then Apple server status. Go to the settings from your iPhone, click on your name at the top right of your screen, click on sign out from your Apple account. After signing out, sign in again with your Apple account with the username and password. Check if the issue is resolved. If not, then you need to change your Apple password. The seventh method is update your Apple password. It is necessary to change the password once a while. If you use the same password for the extended period without changing it, Apple might throw a verification error and force you to change it. Indeed, it's a clever idea, sorry. So try to changing your password for the Apple account. Go to settings from your iPhone, tap on your profile name at the top right of the screen. Go to the passwords and settings. Now go to the password security page and then click change password. If your iPhone has a passcode, it will prompt you to enter it, fill the password here. iPhone will ask you to create a new Apple ID password, enter a password that matches your Apple recommendation. Retype the new password, confirm it, tap change at the top of your iPhone screen to enter your Apple ID password. Follow the on-screen instructions. Sign out from all the devices, signing with the new password. All the set, you can access your iTunes store without any issues. If the above troubleshooting methods didn't work well for you, verification failed, there was an error connecting to the Apple server issue if none of the above method works, creating and logging in the new Apple server ID fixes any issues related to verification and authentication process. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.